In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove vocals from a song and import it into Audacity. Have you ever wanted to extract the instrumental or just the vocals from a song and use them in your Audacity projects? Well, you're in luck because today I've got a simple solution that won't take much of your time at all. To start, we will need the assistance of a website called x-pro. It's super easy to get there. Just open up your Google search bar and type in x-. Click on the first result that appears and you'll be right where you need to be. Once you're on the website, look for the vocal remover option. This is the magic tool that will separate the vocals from the instrumentals in your song file. Click on it and you'll see an icon on the screen, a folder with the text "Select a file." This is where you will upload the audio file you want to work with. Find the file on your computer where you want to remove the vocals or the instrumental, select it and click Open. Now here's where the magic happens. X-Pro will automatically process the file to split the vocals from the instrumentals. One of the impressive aspects of using this tool is how smoothly it extracts the components. You won't notice any traces of mixing between them. It does a remarkable job ensuring that both the vocals and instrumentals are clear and distinct from each other. After the processing is completed, you can preview your extracted audio by clicking the play button. This allows you to listen to the instrumental or the vocal by itself before you download it. Now you have the option to download either just the vocals, just the instrumental, or even both, whichever suits your music project needs. With your downloaded audio file in hand, you can now proceed to use it in Audacity. Simply locate your file in your downloads, import it into your Audacity project, and you're all set to start working with it. It really is that straightforward. By using this approach, you avoid any complicated steps or confusing instructions typically involved in separating audio elements. With just a few clicks, you have exactly what you need. And that, my friends, is how you remove vocals from a song and seamlessly import it into Audacity. I hope you found this guide helpful and efficient for your audio editing projects. Thanks for watching and have fun creating.